Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Google Play services or activate Google Play services. So first, you just have to simply swipe down and then tap this gear icon or your settings. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to simply look for apps, tap apps, and then here you have to click apps again. That is below screen time. Now what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and look for Google Play services, or you can basically tap this search icon right here and then type Google Play services. Tap on Google Play services. If you haven't enabled your Google Play services, you should see an enable button here. And all you have to do is to tap that one to enable Google Play services. And again, if you want to enable, you just have to go to Google Play services and then tap on enable. As easy as that. So basically, that's how easy it is to enable Google Play services or activate Google Play services. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.